Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable fingerprint on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, fingerprint authentication offers a quick and convenient way to unlock your device. You don't need to remember a passcode or pattern, and it is faster than typing in a password. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open settings on your device. And you have to make sure that you have set the screen lock before, whether it is a pattern, PIN, or password. Okay, next, here you can scroll down and select Security and Privacy menu. And then tap on Biometric options here. So, select Fingerprint and enter your screen lock. Well, so now click Continue and click Register option. Well, after that, press your finger inside the circle. Leave it when the circle is fully highlighted. Then press again. After finishing the process, and then click Done option. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable fingerprint on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.